How to get voice chat on Roblox PC. Welcome to Let Me Help and let's get right into this tutorial. To get your voice chat on Roblox, start off by launching your Roblox application. If you have not installed an app, don't worry, you can launch a browser and search for roblox.com. Make sure to sign in for your account. Once you are in here, to activate voice chat for your account, it is pretty simple. In your left hand side, tap on the More option, that is the three-dot icon. From here, head over to the Settings option. Firstly, check out the Privacy option. In here, make sure that the option is toggled off for account restriction are disabled. Then check out your parental control, and if it's disabled, it's fine. However, if it's toggled on, make sure to select on the 17+ option. Once you do this in the privacy setting, locate your voice chat option. I don't have this option currently as my microphone permission is not allowed. In here, you will see the voice chat option. Just make sure to toggle it on. Once you do this, the voice chat will be activated for your Roblox PC. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.